कुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भ करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारंश्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
धन्यवादः। अद्य एक
आचार्य महोदय प्रश्न
प्रश्नान् द्रक्ष्यामः। एकनिमिषम्। अत्र किञ्चित् एतत् आर्षसेवाकेन्द्रस्य कोविड् रिलीफ् इति बहूनि कार्याणि कृतानि। तस्य विषये सर्वे किञ्चित् पठन्तु, अवगच्छन्तु। Whoever is able to help, they can offer their services. They have donated 15 Ayurvedic community booster and medicine kits worth 22,531 to Arsha Gokulam families and laborers. Then they have donated grocery kits to 10 needy families worth 12,330. Tadanantaram 1,50,000 rupees to Seva Bharati in Tirupur towards COVID relief. Evam bahuni karyani prachalitani tat sarve कृपया पठन्तु. तदनन्तरं whatever help you can offer, please do so. अवगतम्? तदनन्तरं today I have यो अन्तरराष्ट्रीय योग दिवसस्य विषये किञ्चित् अद्य पठामः। किमर्थं योगः इति क्रमेण वाक्यद्वयं पठन्तु। चित्रं दृश्यते वा?
आम् आम्।
अस्तु, अमी महोदये प्रारम्भं करोतु।
न दृश्यते
एकनिमिषम् किम् अभवत्?
आचार्य अहं शृणोमि। अहं
पठितुं न शक्नोति वा? पठितुं न शक्नोति वा?
अहं लोडिंग अस्ति न?
इदानीं दृश्यते वा?
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवसः 2021 जून 21 सोमवासरे
21 इत्युक्ते 21
एकविंशतिः सोमवासरे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवसः।
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवसः
योग दिवसः
आविश्यं समाचर्यते. Sorry, I'm trying to read it on a phone. भारतस्य प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवसः प्रतिवर्षं जून 21 दिनांके भवतु इति अमुं योग दिवसं समारब्धवान्.
अस्तु 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 अस्तु. इदानीम् अत्र प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? Are you able to follow this? Understand
I
this?
didn't understand that word. Samarabdhavan.
Samarabdhavan. He started this.
Okay.
Arabdhavan, Samarabdhavan.
What does amum means?
Amum,
this. And Avishwam is around the world.
Avishwam, entire world.
Entire world. Yeah.
अग्रे गायत्री महोदय वाक्यद्वयं पठनीयम्.
बहुभ्यः वर्षेभ्यः आविश्वं सर्वेषु राष्ट्रेषु योगदिवसस्य आचरणं प्रचलदस्ति.
आचरणं प्रचलदस्ति.
अस्मिन् वर्षे कोविड अस्मिन् वर्षे कोविड-19 कोरोना रोग भीति कारणात् अद्य सर्वे गृहे एव स्थित्वा योगासनानि प्राणायामांश्च कृत्वा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस माचरन्तु. ओके, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवसम् आचरन्तु इति सर्वे राष्ट्रप्रशासकाः उक्तवन्तः.
किम् अवगतम्? किम् अवगतं वा अत्र?
अवगतं महोदय. एकः प्रश्नः. कोविड-19 अर्थः कः?
19 वर्षे कोविड आगतं किल, अतः एवं वदन्ति इति अहं मन्ये. अहं न जानामि तस्य विषये.
धन्यवादः.
अस्तु, अग्रे हरप्रसाद महोदय.
योगशास्त्रस्य आविर्भावः प्रथमं भारते एव समभवत्. वेदाः एव योगस्य मूलहेतवः. Shall I continue?
न तस्य अर्थं
Okay. Yoga Shastrasya आविर्भावः प्रथमं भारते एव समभवत्.
origin. Avirbhavaha is origin.
Origin. So the origin of Yoga Shastra began in Bharata. Began in Bharata. Only in Bharata.
See, origin was in India only for Yoga Shastra.
Vedaha eva yogasya moola hetavaha. Vedas are the root cause of Vedas are the root cause of yoga.
Agre Harsha Mahoday.
विश्वे एव प्रथमं वेदेषु योगस्य विचाराः उक्ताः पश्चात् षड्दर्शनानि प्रवृत्तानि. So in the world, first Ved told about Yoga Vichardhara. After that, Shad Darshanani, Darshan Shastra, Shad means 6. Pravruttani means they implement.
See, Vishve eva Prathamam Vedeshu Yogasya Vicharaha Uktaha. In the entire world, first they discussed about Yoga Shastra only from the Vedas. After that, Paschat Shad Darshanani Pravruttani. After that, they started discussing about Shad Darshanas.
Okay.
Shall I continue?
What are the Shad Darshanas?
Yoga.
Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa,
Vaisheshika.
Vaisheshika,
Nyaya.
Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa,
Vaisheshika,
Nyaya, Sankhya, Yoga.
Sankhya.
Astu. Agre Hina Mahoday.
Yeah. Teshu Shat Darsane Yoga Shastram Manya Yoga Shastram Manya Tamam.
Anyatamam. Anyatamam. Teshu Shat Darshaneshu Yoga Shastram Anyatamam.
Anyatamam. Anyatamam, I don't get it, but
it's a different something very different from the others.
From the others, okay. Patanjali Maharshi Yoga Sastrasya Adya Pravartakaha. Means Patanjali Maharshi has started the Yoga Shastra and he acknowledged everyone.
Patanjali Maharshi Yoga Shastrasya Adya Pravartakaha. He spread it actually.
He spread it.
This has been talked about in the Vedas also. So he was not the founder. Okay, only
he acknowledged everyone about the Yoga Shastra. Yeah. Patanjali Yoga Shastrani Virachya Yogasya Anta Darshane Bahi Darshane Darshanam Chakar. Means he acknowledged yoga, what is there in the yoga and what is Bahir means outside, means what it is, how it is helpful. He gave us that knowledge.
Okay, astu. Yogasya antardarshanam bahirdarshanam cha the bahirdarshanam chakara.
Artha kaha?
Patanjali Yoga Shastrani Virachya. He composed this Yoga Shastra, so many sutras he wrote about Yoga Shastra. Okay. Then Yogasya Antardarshanam Bahirdarshan. How it is helpful inward and outwardly. That he showed us. Chakara he did. Karoti tasya lit rupam asti. Agre Kalpana Mahodaya va?
नास्ति इति मन्ये।
नास्ति वा? अस्तु, कार्तिक महोदय भवान् पठतु।
महाभारतस्य भगवद्गीतायां कृष्णः उपदेशे वेदव्यासः योगस्य महिम्नः प्रकथयति। वेदव्यासः योगस्य महिम्नः प्रकथयति, कृष्णस्य उपदेशम् उपयुज्य कथयति। कृष्णोपदेशः भगवद्गीतायां भविष्यति। युजिर् योगे इति धातोः योगशब्दस्य समुत्पत्तिः। योगशब्दस्य समुत्पत्तिः युजिर् धातोः भविष्यति।
युजिर् योगे इति धातुः।
चित्तवृत्तिनिरोध एव योगः। प्रथमसूत्रः
पतञ्जलेः प्रथमं सूत्रमस्ति योगः चित्तवृत्तिनिरोधः। किमर्थं तस्य चित्तवृत्तिनिरोधः?
चित्तवृत्ति, वयं सर्वे मनुष्यजनाः अत्र आगतवन्तः। केचन अस्माकं चित्ते केचन वृत्तिः अस्ति इति सामान्यतः ज्ञातवन्तः। यदि योगं स्वीकर्तुं अष्टाङ्गयोगं कृतवन्तः, तस्य वृत्तिः निरोधः भविष्यति।
All the time mind is very active, no? So this yoga, the Ashtanga yoga, helps in the channelizing. It's not removing or anything. It channelizes our thought process.
अस्माकं वासनानि अपि जाता
अपगच्छन्ति।
आम्।
अस्तु, अग्रे माधवी महोदये।
मानवानां देहस्य बहिः शुद्धिः अन्तःशुद्धिः योगेन भवति। So through yoga, it's internal purification and also external purification. I'm sorry. Yogena chittavruttau sthirayam satyam antasakshatkarah bhavati. I had to get antasakshatkara. Yogena, that is with yoga, chittavruttau.
What happens is with continuous practice, proper way of practicing, that helps in antasakshatkara. See, we all know that Paramatma is inside us. So that sakshatkara happens when we practice this Ashtanga yoga in the proper way.
Yeah, I could get that antasakshatkara bhavati, but what is chittavruttau sthirayam?
Chittavritti subsides. Continuous mental activity is there, no? That subsides, you become calmer, you will be able to focus more towards the divine.
No. Chittavritti nirodhe savikalpaka samadhau सर्वबहिर्व्यापाराणां निरोधः भवति.
Once,
Chittavritti,
once your chittavritti, that's mental activity, too much of activity is there, no? When that gets, when that subsides, savikalpaka samadhi. In savikalpaka samadhi, sarva bahir vyaparanam nirodha bhavati. Gradually, you, like the tortoise, it takes itself, all its legs into the
inside.
the same way, all the external active, whatever, so many activities we keep doing, all those things subside.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
Muralidharan Mahoday.
Mahoday, one question. Aham ek question puchhami. Chittavrittau, that is like Dvivachanam. Vrittau is Dvivachanam there?
No. In chittavritti.
In chittavritti.
Vikalpa samadho bahir andaryanam bahir indriyanam andar indriyasya manasaha suddhir bhavati. Nirvikalpa samadho, we get peace inside and outside.
In nirvikalpaka samadhi, bahirindriyanam antarindriyasya manasaha shuddhihi bhavati.
Da paramatmanaha divya darshanam bhavati.
Tada,
then we will be able to see God.
Yes.
No.
That divinity, Paramatmanaha Divya Darshanam Bhavati. Actually, has anybody tried this? Has anybody experienced this?
Not me.
Experience is, I think, too much. But approaching towards that is possibly.
No. I have partially experienced once, but I didn't continue. That's the thing. Once or twice I have tried this, and it works actually. But to do it continuously, it's a bit difficult.
Dharana dhyana up.
It's a very beautiful experience, but unable to follow that path.
I didn't get it, Mahoday. What did you do and what happened?
No. I practiced some of these
yoga sadhana,
Ashtanga yoga, some of the practices. Then they are saying that Paramatma in this Sri Bhashyam, in Ramanujacharya's Brahma Sutra Bhashyam, there he has explained this Paramatma who is there inside us. He is it is like very bright light, and I am unable to explain actually, but it's a very beautiful experience, and I was really amazed how, and we ourselves are able to experience, but for that we have to give up on so many of our day-to-day activities. That is very difficult.
Sharanagati marge sa bahu Sharanagati marge bahu sundaram bhavishyati. Tatra it is like asking sugar, asking explain how did you feel. You cannot explain that.
Yeah, it's very difficult actually to explain. But I was it's like some bright light. It was so bright, and that experience itself will make us give up all the other activities. It will draw us more and more into it. It is so, actually, till that time, I always thought all these great acharyas, I didn't have much clarity about their writings. I used to think, oh wow, their writings, they are so much of debate is happening. So maybe for the sake of debating they are doing, but it's not so. There is really something that needs to be experienced within us.
आनन्दस्य विषये तैत्तिरीयोपनिषदि भविष्यति एक मनुष्यानन्दः 10 to the power 21 of that Manushyanandaha. That is the experience which you will get if you go through this process.
Yes, yes. Yeah. It's a great experience, and
I understand that.
How long did you practice that, Mahoday?
Actually, I was doing yoga. I attended one yoga course. And after that, I did a lot of japa along with some yoga practices. With that, I could experience.
That has to be the Ashtanga yoga practice, not just the asana and pranayama.
Yes, asanas will help us in our physical physical health will be good. But for this kind of experience, we need to go to dhyana, dharana, samadhi, and all those things.
We are limited to asanas only.
No, nobody is limited. We limit ourselves.
That is true, Mahoday.
Nobody has the limitation. Anybody can reach God. Krishna says no. Only those who want me, they will get me.
Shankaracharya Bradaranyaka Upanishade uktavan Pandityam Nirvidya iti. That is the state you need to reach.
Yes.
Pandityam Nirvidya.
Nirvidya. That comes in Bradaranyaka Upanishad. That is the Paravidya. That is when we have reached that state, it becomes like there's nothing. You don't need anything.
Yes.
Yeah.
And sometimes, some different experiences also I have had. Like I'm able to feel that my soul is outside. That kind of experience also I had during those initial days while I was doing a lot of japa. Nowadays, I am not doing much. I had to get back to that lifestyle.
The only thing is that all this has to be practiced with a proper guru who is well trained and
yes, of course.
Never try.
That is very difficult. That is very difficult to get.
That's very, very important. Never try anything just out of, okay, somebody said I will try this.
Yes, that is there.
Somebody should be monitoring you and really telling what is happening.
Yes. Astu. Agre pathamah. Mahoday, vadatu.
Yeah, actually there is some contradiction in some different views also from what Karthik Mahoday is saying. Because, for example, if in Jain you say, they're all that Tirthankaras, they didn't learn from anyone.
Yes, see, for everybody, it's not possible to get a guru. So, only believe in
Tirthankaras are the one who will not take anybody as guru, and they will only find the path. So like that, Jainism believes in anyone can find the path also. Yeah, having a guru might help, but even if you don't have, you can still continue your journey to search truth.
Yes, that is also there.
let me qualify that statement, Nirmal Mahodaya. So when I say guru, it is not a physical presence of the person in front of you. So guru can be anybody. It can be in the form of books. It can be in the form of any this one. When the Shishya is there, the guru will appear in the right form. That is the way it goes on in all philosophies. At least in the Astika Darshanani, which comes out through these, through our Vedas, whether it's the Jainism, Buddhism, all these things, that is what comes through very clearly.
In Jainism, not so. Certainly not. I mean, because they know, except humans, they don't consider anybody who can give you Gyan.
Yes.
Okay, so in that sense, that's why I told you about Tirthankaras. Tirthankaras are the one who has not accepted anybody as guru, and they went on their own search of truth.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this for some other day maybe.
Astu. That's a different discussion we will have in another session.
But anyway, I mean, Yoga Shastra, even in Jainism, quite a bit is there.
Yes. Everybody practiced yoga Shastra. Even Buddhism, Buddhists, everybody practiced.
Right. Okay, my turn, I guess. Tada manushya santoshen manobhavanaya sthita puto bhavati. So there, then a person becomes filled with all good feelings.
Nirmala manobhavanaya santoshena sthitaha putaha. Putaha ityukte purified.
Purified, okay.
He becomes purified. Putaha bhavati.
Okay. Yatra tatra yama niyamasana pranayan pratyahara dhyana dharana samadhe iti yogasya ashtangani santi. So there yam, niyam, asan, pranayan, pratyahar, dhyan, dharana,
Samadhi.
That's what I was looking for. Samadhi. These are the 8 angas of the yoga.
8 limbs. Tatra yama niyama asana pranayama. Tatra tankana doshaha asti. Pranayama iti pratyahara dhyana dharana samadhi iti yogasya ashta angani santi. Agre
Sundari.
Preeti
Mahodaye.
Teshu yamaha niyamaha asanam pranayamaha ityete chatvaraha bahirindriya vyapara niyamebhyah sahakarinah bhavanti.
Among the 8 limbs, teshu
yamaha niyamaha. The what is it?
Those 4.
First 4 yama niyama asana pranayama. Ityete chatvaraha, these 4 bahirindriya vyapara niyamebhyah sahakarinah bhavanti. They help in our external well-being.
Dhyanam dharana pratyahara samadhihi ityete antarindriyani manam kartum sahakarinah bhavanti.
Antarindriyani iti tatrapi tankana dosha asti.
The other 4 help in the inner.
Antarindriyani manam kartum sahakarinah bhavanti. Tatra मनम् इति नास्ति, तत् किञ्चित् दोषः अस्ति. दीस् ध्यानं, धारणा, pratyahara, samadhi, these four help in the internal well-being. नियम इति नियमनं कर्तुं सहकारिणः भवन्ति. तदनन्तरम् अग्रे
अहं करोमि. बहिःशुद्धः अन्तःशुद्धश्च पुरुषः सर्वदा निरीहः सन्तुष्टः लोकोपकारी सन् जनता कल्याणाय सर्वदा क्रियाशीलो भवति. बहिःशुद्धः external purification, internal purification of the people.
Purified, externally purified, internally purified purushah, person.
Always, sarvada. They will always be happy. And
निरीहः इत्युक्ते इह इच्छा, without desires. Santushtah. Santushtah is contented. Yes. Lokopakari.
They will always be desireless, contented, and well-wishers. Sunness.
Lokopakari bhutva iti. By becoming like that.
Janata Kalyanaya Sarvada Kriyashilo Bhavati. Okay. They will always be working towards the welfare of the people.
Yes.
Labdha Chitta Vritta Nirodhasya Purushasya Yoga Kshemam Bhagavaneva
Nirvahati. Labdha Chittavritti Nirodhasya Purushasya. The person who is able to achieve this Chittavritti Nirodha, his well-being will be taken care of by Paramatma, Bhagavan.
What is nirvahati is like taken care of?
Yes.
Taking care of.
Agre? Ramesh Mahodaya.
Mahodaya. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami masuchaha. Iti evam Bhagavad Gitaayam Sri Krishna Arjuna Mupadesita.
Arjunam Upadishati.
Upadeshita.
Sarvadharman.
Krishna has told to Arjuna.
What did he say?
Everything, if you leave everything aside.
Sarvadharman parityajya.
And come to my feet.
Mam ekam sharanam vraja. Only me.
Only.
Vraja is what now? Vraja?
Go or come. Sharanam vraja. You surrender to me completely.
Aham tvam sarva papebhyo. It's me who takes away your all papas. Moksha ishyami. I will give the moksha. I am the cleaner.
Ma shuchaha is don't
think.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. This is being told by Sri Krishna to the Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita.
Agre?
Shall I continue?
One more sentence.
Tatra alabdasya narajanmanah labah yogaha. There alabdasya, who don't get narajanmanaha, human existence, labhaha yogaha, then it becomes the beneficial and yogaha.
तत्र अलब्धस्य नरजन्मनः लाभः. This, it is very difficult to get the human birth, no? They are saying narajanma, when you get this narajanma, get the advantage of yoga. That's what they are saying.
Alabdhasya Mahoday.
Alabdhasya. Na labdhasya. See, it is not everybody can get the human birth.
Yeah.
So when you are getting this with so much, see, we must have done so many good deeds to come to this stage. So don't waste it. Take the advantage and labha. Take the labha of this birth by practicing yoga.
That sentence is very tricky.
Alabdhasya narajanmanaha labha.
All of the say is creating the problem.
Yes,
all
yes.
of the say.
Can we say alabdhasya is like difficult to get?
Yes.
Right. Alabdhasya.
Agre Rita Mahodeva.
Amade. Labdhasya janma naha paripavanam shemam. Those who get the janma, manava sharira, paripavanam shemam. That I do not know.
See here how they are saying is, see, tatra alabdhasya narajanmanaha labha yogaha. Getting human birth itself is like yoga. Labdhasya janmanaha paripavanam kshemam. To the life we have got, the human birth we have got, to purify it is is for the good.
It's purify. It's when you purify it, it is for the all good. Yada manushyaha yogi bhakto bhavati tada saha bhagavataha anugrahen sanrakshito bhavati. When a person becomes a yogi bhakta, yoga, he becomes one with yoga, tada, then he bhagavataha anugrahen, he because of kripa he gets from the Paramatma, sanrakshito bhavati. He becomes protected by the Paramatma.
Protected. Samyak. Agree.
Meaning of Chemam.
Agree?
Shall I? Sundari Mahoday.
Just one question was there. What is the meaning of Chemam?
Chemam is it is for the good.
Good.
For the welfare.
We say Kushal Chem. We say Kushal.
Welfare. Like
Okay. Dhanyavad.
अतः योगः सर्वजनानां दुःखनिवारणाय इति बाधानिरोधाय निरोधाय रोगरुजिन दैहिक क्लेश निवारणाय जीवनस्य सार्थक्याय च मूलकारणं भवति. Therefore, yoga for all the people removes difficulties, dukkha, sorrow. Vada
Iti badha nirodhaya.
Iti vada nirodhaya.
What is iti badha?
Right, wrong.
Yeah. Like the material, how do we say that?
It's difficult to explain what is iti bhava.
Obstacles? Could it be obstacles?
See, obstacles created by people around us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Iti bada.
So, yoga sarvajananam dukkha nivaranaya iti badha nirodhaya, to remove iti badha. Then
Roga. Rugina.
Roga rujina.
Disease.
Daihika.
Daihika.
Klesha nivaranaya. Roga rujina, daihika klesha, all these things. As we grow old, as we grow old, we get many health issues. So physically also we become weaker. So all these, to remove all these problems, like dukkha nivaranaya, iti badha nirodhaya, roga rujina daihika klesha nivaranaya. Tadanantaram
जीवनस्य सार्थक्याय च मूलकारणं भवति.
जीवनस्य सार्थक्याय च मूलकारणं भवति.
So yoga helps in all this.
It becomes the
main source
to remove all the sorrows or any problems, like that.
Yoga karmasu kaushalam iti Shri Krishna Vabhana. Yoga karmasu kaushalam.
Yoga karma in karma. Expertise. Yoga ityukte kim? Karmasu kaushalam. Expertise in whatever activity we do. Even if we cook, we get expertise.
We will do it better.
Only when we focus. So that expertise is the result of yoga.
Whatever work we do it perfectly.
Yes.
Karmasu is what, ma'am, Mohoday?
Karma. Karmasu. In karma.
In karma.
Kah vibhaktihi? Ka vibhaktihi?
Saptami.
Yeah. Now, shouldn't be karmasu?
No. Karmasu eva. Karman iti napumsakalinga shabdah. Karma. Karmani, karmani iti rupani.
Okay.
And what is Babhana?
Babhana, he has said it's a different prayoga. Like we have learnt only lat lakara, no? Bhavati. Then lrit lakara we have learnt bhavishyati. This Babhana is lit. It's a different lakara. Astu. Agre?
Some words are of those days. Adunatana Sanskrita nasti.
Idanim bahu nasti, kintu Puraneshu tatra bhavati. Agre Yogesh Mahoday nasti va? Ami Mahoday bhavati eva patatu.
Loke
swasya unnati sadhanam paresham jananam samudharanam pi yoga eva.
Api. Samudharanam api yoga eva. So what is saying? Loke swasya unnati sadhanam.
So for people to be healthy, And
not only
Unnat-
healthy. Here,
I mean successful.
Aunatyam
Unnati.
growing.
Okay.
There's a lot of disturbance.
Yes, somebody needs
Sorry,
to mute.
because I am out at a government facility and
Oh, okay.
there are beepers and everything.
Okay. Loke swasya unnati sadhanam for self also and paresham jananam samudharanam api yoga eva. Others also, helping others also to grow in their life. That is also yoga.
What is paresham word?
Paresham jananam, anya jananam.
Okay. Should I say the next one?
No. Agre Gayatri Mahoday. Ekam vakyam patat.
अतः वयं सर्वे स्वेषां मुन्नतिं सम्पाद्य ततः लोकजनानां समुद्रणाय गच्छेम.
Therefore, atah vayam, we all
सर्वे
swesham unnatim sampadya.
Okay.
Having achieved sampadya.
So what is sampadya?
Having got, achieved.
Okay, having got the going to the higher level. Tataka loka jananam, that's all the people.
Samudharanaya.
Samudharanaya. We can all become one.
No.
Uddharanaya.
Once we have achieved a higher level, then we can help the others also. Loka jananam samudharanaya gacchema.
Okay, we can all help.
Agre Haraprasad Mahoday.
Idameva manushya janmanaha paramam prayojanam. Idameva, this alone, this alone makes the human birth paramam,
extremely useful. Harsha Mahoday.
Tasya yogaha mula sadhanam asti.
Sadhanam asti.
Yeah.
To achieve that parama prayojana.
Right.
Yoga.
Yeah. To achieve that param prayojanam, yoga is the original instrument.
Root
is there.
Hina Mahoday.
Vayam sarve antarashtriya yoga divse yoga shastrasya uddeshyana prayojanani cha mahajanana prakatya yogana samacharya sarthak jivanam
yapayama. Vayam sarve antarashtriya yoga divase on the day of
yoga antarashtriya yoga divas yoga shastrasya means to perform this yoga shastra.
No, not perform. Yoga shastrasya prayojanani.
Mahajanan means the people from the means all people.
Not like that. See, Vayam Sarve, all of us, Antarashtriya Yoga Divase, Anybody else would like to explain?
If we introduce all on this International Yoga Day, if we introduce all to yoga abhyasa, yoga shastram, if we make them use yoga shastram.
No, not like that. Anybody else?
We all in this Antarashtriya Yoga Divase योग शास्त्रस्य उद्देश्यान प्रयोजनानि, योग शास्त्र के उद्देश्य के प्रयोजन के लिए च एंड महाजनान प्राकथ्य योगान समाचार्य सार्थक जीवन, फॉर मेनी पीपल योग आचरण के साथ सार्थक जीवन जिएंगे.
Here, Karthik Mahodaya, would you like to try?
Mahodaya. Yapayama atra kriyapadam. So let's all lead a sarthaka jivanam by propagating this uddesha of yoga, that is uddeshan prayojanani, uddesha and prayojana. Mahajana, amongst the Mahajana, Janan, Prakatya, as in Yogan Samacharya, as in propagating the importance of yoga and its prayojana on this Antarashtriya Yoga Day. Let us all start leading the Sarthaka Jivanam and practicing it. Samacharya.
Yogan, Prakatya Yogan, Tatra Mahajanan Prakatya, the great people, it is all said by great people, that all that let us bring it into practice.
Sama Acharya.
Samyak Acharya, Sarthaka Jivanam Yapayama. By practicing all those, let us lead a useful, contented life.
Yapayama.
Yapayama.
What is Yapayama?
Meaning of Yapayama.
Let us lead this life.
Lead
this life in a fruitful way.
Root word kim Mahodaya?
Ya Prapane.
Ya Prapane.
You can check in the dictionary later. Then
Praktya. Praktya.
What is Praktya?
Prapayama. Prapnoti.
Okay, to obtain.
Same way, Yapayama. Same meaning. अस्तु अग्रे अन्ताराष्ट्रीय योग दिवसे सर्वेभ्यः शुभाशयान् समर्पयामि इति डॉक्टर टीवी सत्यनारायण तलकाडु महोदयेन लिखितम् अस्ति. तत्र सुधर्मा इति पत्रिका अस्ति, संस्कृत दिनपत्रिका. तत्र अहं ह्यः दृष्टवती एतत्. अतः सर्वे अपि तत् स्वीकर्तुं शक्यते. तस्य अधिकं मूल्यमपि नास्ति तस्य. आन्लैन् अपि पठितुं शक्यते अथवा गृहे अपि आगच्छति यदि इच्छन्ति चेत्. सुधर्मा इति
प्रकाशितं वा इदानीमपि?
आं महोदय, कष्टमस्ति.
बहु सम्यक् अस्ति.
बहु सम्यक्. अस्तु, अद्यन्दिनपाठस्य विषये किञ्चित् पश्यामः वा?
महोदय, गतकक्षा कार्य संबंधे कतिपय प्रश्नाः सन्ति.
वदतु महोदय.
One निमिष महोदय. I am opening.
Mahoday, one sentence is there. Kastam yavat va bhavatu bhavan, then blank, karyam karotu. And we have to fill with the word sahana. So how to fill it? Sahana means you have to bear.
Sahanena.
Sahana is what?
No.
Sahana, patience.
Patience. Patience. Kastam yavat va bhavatu bhavan sahanena karyam karotu.
Sahanena iti na bhavati kila. Tatra sahana iti strilinga shabdah.
Sahanaya.
Sahanaya karyam karotu.
Another Mahoday tripti shabda asti. Tripti katham upyuje karomi tritiya vibhakti. Tripti.
Triptihi pullinga shabdam va strilinga shabdam va?
Striling.
Tada katham?
Like vari.
Nadi. Nadi. Vari shabdam.
Vari. Varinam. Varina.
No, triptya.
Triptya iti eva. Vari shabdam napumsaka. Vari varini vari.
Matihi Mahoday.
Matihi eva.
Matihi shabda.
Matihi, Matihi.
Matya.
Matihi.
Triptya.
Triptya. Matya. Triptya.
Okay. Mahoday kutuhalam. Kah sah iti govindah kutuhalena ramam prishtavan. Kutuhalena is right, Mahoday? Kutuhalam. Is a napumsaklinga word?
Kutuhalaha. Kutuhalaha. Pullinga shabdam.
No, kutuhalam. Kutuhalam.
Kutuhalam napumsakalingam.
Oh, astu, astu, astu. Kutuhalam.
Napumsaklinga. Correct, Mahoday.
Okay, now I have a question, Mahoday. Truptihi, you said is a strilinga word. Is it like Lakshmihi?
No. Lakshmihi iti dirgham asti tatra. Lakshmihi.
Matihi is the right. I thought
Matihi. Vari napumsakalingam asti. Vari Matihi ikaranta strilinga.
Yeah, I understand
Lakshmihi ikaranta strilinga.
Okay, got it. What about Truptihi?
Truptihi, Matihi iva. Strilinga.
Okay.
Mahoday, kaha and bhavatyah means I have to think about strilinga and bhavati. Then I have to make a bhavati and a tritiya. Or is the right thought process, no, Mahoday?
Punarekavaram vadatu Mahoday.
Kah bhavatyah agachanti. 3 words are there and we had to make a sentence. So, kah means strilinga, it denotes strilinga. Bhavatyah, then I do not know bhavatyah tritiya, how it will become. In what, how to parallel it? Which word shall I parallel it?
Bhavati bihi.
Bhavati is ikarant, nadi like?
No, nadi.
Okay. I just wanted to clear my thought process, how I should place it. Okay. Mahoday, sthatum is what? Sthatum. Karyam blank. Ramah sthatum na shaknoti. Sthatum, I could not.
What is the sentence?
Karyam blank. Ramah sthatum na shaknoti.
To stop.
To establish.
Stop.
Tumun pratyaya. Tumun prayogam. Tishta shabdasya tumun prayoga.
Tishta. Okay. Means
established, Mahoday.
Establish.
Establish. Okay. These rupani aham na janami and root word also aham na janami.
अग्रे क्रमेण सर्वम् अवगच्छन्ति.
Mahat is what, ma'am?
Mahat.
Mahat is many or big?
Mahat is big.
Big.
Bahuni is many.
Bahuni is many. Mahat is big.
Bahuni me vyatitani jarmani.
Arjuna.
Mahadev, if there are two words in the sentence beginning, Esha Varta, so I have to make both the words in Tritiya. Always, like Esha Varta is given Etaya Vartaya. That is correct. Then Eta Drisham Chintanam, I have to make both these words because they are in the beginning of the sentence. Both these should be in Tritiya. The same, parallelly I am placing them. So, Eta Drisham, I don't know how to.
Eta Drishyam iti nasa. Drishyam kim asti?
Drisham, Sadrisham. That one. Eta Drisham.
Eta Drisham va. Eta Drisham.
Chintanam. Manah Kalushitam. I have to make a sentence with the help of these four words.
Eta Drishena.
Eta Drishena. Chintanena. Manah Kalushitam.
Manah Kalushitam bhavati.
Bhavati. Okay. Okay, Mother. Dhanyavada, Mohoday. Dhanyavada.
Agre pashyamah va? Atra एतत् सर्वे जानन्ति किल रामः रामौ रामाः एतत् सर्वम् अग्रे गच्छामः अद्य अधिकं समयं नास्ति एतत् शब्दः एषः तत्र तत् शब्दः सः तौते तं तौतान् एषः एतौ एते एतम् एतौ एतान् इति तदनन्तरं स्त्रीलिङ्गे सा ते ताः तां ते ताः एषा एते एताः एताम् एते एताः एतत् सर्वे जानन्ति किल अत्र पुनरभ्यासं करणीयं वा
न
अस्तु तत्तेतानि तत्तेतानि एतत् एते एतानि एतद् एते एतानि यः यौ ये यं यौ यान् एतदपि सर्वे सम्यक् जानन्ति इति मन्ये या ये याः यां ये याः यत् ये यानि यत् ये यानि एतत् सर्वं पूर्वस्मिन् कक्षायां कृतम् इति अहं चिन्तयामि कः कौके कं कौ कान् का के काः कां के काः किं के कानि किं के कानि अस्तु
इदानीं ये याः अत्र एकः प्रश्नः आसीत् put it up in the I'll post it to you.
आं महोदय इदानीमेव पृच्छतु.
Probably you can clarify that. No, it's a little long because conjugating yaha with other vibhakti of saute. So I'll just put it up in a very structured.
Aham avam vayam. अत्र द्वितीया विभक्तिः अस्ति माम् माम् अथवा मा आवाम् अथवा नौ अस्मान् अथवा नः माम् मा आवाम् नौ अस्मान् नः अत्र एतद् उपयुज्य वाक्यानि कर्तुं प्रयत्नं कुर्मः वा प्रथमा विभक्त्यां वाक्यानि वदन्तु तदनन्तरं द्वितीया विभक्तिं स्वीकुर्मः अमी महोदय अमी महोदय नास्ति गायत्री महोदय
अहं देवां पूजयामि आवां क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडावः वयं समुद्रस्नानं कुर्मः।
सम्यक्। हरप्रसाद महोदय।
अहं गृहं गच्छामि। आवां गृहं गच्छावः वयं गृहं गच्छामः। You want to, shall I try mom?
तदनन्तरं हर्ष महोदय।
अहं क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडामि। आवां फलं खादावः वयं भारतं गच्छामः।
हीना महोदय।
अहम् अनुजस्य विद्यालयम् आगच्छामि। आवां पुस्तकं पठावः वयं अनुजेन सह विद्यालयं गच्छामः।
कल्पना महोदय नास्ति। कार्तिक महोदय।
कल्पना महोदय अस्ति।
अस्ति वा? किमर्थं भवत्याः ध्वनिः न श्रुतम्?
अहं नाना पुस्तकान् पठामि।
पुस्तकानि वा पुस्तकान् वा?
पुस्तकानि। अहं नानान् पुस्तकानि पठामि।
पुनरेकवारम्।
अहं नानान् पुस्तकानि।
नानान् इति न, नाना
पुस्तकानि पठामि। आवां विद्यालयं गच्छावः वयं अभ्यासं लिखामः।
कार्तिक महोदय।
अहम् उद्यानवने पुष्पाणि कर्तर्या चिनोमि। आवाम् उद्यानवने फलानि चिनुवः वयम् उद्यानवने फलानि चिनुमः।
अत्र कर्तर्या कर्तयामि एव।
कर्तर्यामि अस्तु। आम्
हस्तेन चिन्मः, प्लकिंग।
अस्तु, हस्तेन चिनुमः। अस्तु।
माधवी महोदय।
It is not there.
मुरलीधरन महोदय।
अहं गीतं गायामि। आवां गीतं गायावः वयं गीतं गायामः।
निर्मल महोदय।
अहं जीवन यापयामि। आवां संस्कृतं पठावः वयं योगस्य चर्चां कुर्मः।
प्रीति महोदय।
अहं शुनकं पालयामि। आवां पाकशालायां स्वः वयं उद्यानं गच्छामः।
प्रिया महोदय।
अहं मित्रे प्रश्नः पृच्छामि। आवां
मित्रम् इति वा?
मित्रम् अहं मित्रं मित्रं प्रश्नं पृच्छामि। आवां मित्रं प्रश्नः पृच्छावः। वयं मित्रं प्रश्नं पृच्छामः।
रमेश महोदय।
अहं गृहकार्यं करोमि। आवां गृहकार्यं करावः। वयं गृहकार्यं
करावः वा?
कुर्वः। वयं गृहकार्यं कुर्मः।
रीटा महोदय।
अहं पाकं पचामि। आवां मित्रेण सह विद्यालयं गच्छावः। वयं उद्याने क्रीडामः।
क्रीडामः वा? किं भवति तत्र?
क्रीडामि, क्रीडावः, क्रीडामः।
क्रीडामि, क्रीडामः।
क्रीडामः। धन्यवादः महोदय। क्रीडामः।
सुन्दरी महोदय।
अहं दूरदर्शने चलनचित्रं पश्यामि। आवां दूरदर्शने चलनचित्रं पश्यावः। वयं दूरदर्शने चलनचित्रं पश्यामः।
इदानीं द्वितीया विभक्तिः। गायत्री महोदय।
जननी मा क्रीतमतुम् अहं सन्तोषः अस्ति।
पुनरेकवारं वदतु महोदय।
जननी जनिल शिक्षकः मा कीर्तिमतुम् अहं सन्तोषः अस्ति।
मेक सिंपल सेंटेंसेस।
ओके। शिक्षकः मा पृच्छति। देन पितामहः नौ पारितोषकं ददाति। पारितोषकं ददाति।
हियर अस्तु।
पितामहः न पितामहः नः पारितोषिकं ददाति।
ददाति चतुर्थी वा?
ददाति
चतुर्थी वा? चतुर्थी
विभक्ति। मां ददाति इज ओके। मां ददाति, he gives to me. When you are saha no, it's correct only. There is nothing. Agre Haraprasad Mohoday.
Okay. Mom Dauhitrah Hasati. Mom
Nannannu.
Nannannu. Mom Mama Dauhitrah Pashyati. Okay. Avam Mama Avam Mama दौहित्रः पश्यतः।
न दौहित्रः पश्यति एव।
दौह
दौहित्रः भवान् अस्ति, भवतः साकम् अन्यः कोऽपि अस्ति, तदा
आवां मम दौहित्रः पश्यतः।
पश्यति एव, दौहित्रः पश्यति।
ओके,
कः पश्यति? दौहित्रः पश्यति। कं पश्यति?
आवां।
मां पश्यति, आवां पश्यति।
ओके, आवां मम दौहित्रः पश्यति, अस्मान् मम दौहित्रः पश्यति।
He says all of us.
Yeah.
हर्षा महोदय।
सा माम जननी, सः आवां पुत्रः, एषः अस्मान्।
तत्र कर्मपदमस्ति महोदय।
सा माम जननी अस्ति।
मम जननी, मै मदर, एवं नास्ति किल, अत्र कर्मपदस्य उपयोगं करणीयम्।
अग्रे गच्छामः। I will think again.
अस्तु, हीना महोदय।
सा मां पुस्तकं ददाति। शिक्षकः आवां पाठयति। शिक्षकः अस्मान् संस्कृतस्य पुस्तकं यच्छति।
कल्पना महोदय।
जननी मां 10 रूप्यकाणि ददाति। राजा आवां पुरस्कारं यच्छति। जननी अस्मान् रोटिकाः
परिवेषयति। कार्तिक महोदय।
सा माम् आह्वयति। देव आवां रक्षतु। देव अस्मान् रक्षतु।
माधवी महोदय।
Not here.
अहं वदामि।
वदतु महोदय। हर्षा महोदय।
सा मां पुष्पं ददाति। सा आवां पुष्पं ददतः।
न सा ददाति।
राइट, सॉरी। सा ददाति। सा अस्मान् पुष्पं ददाति।
मुरलीधरन् महोदय।
रक्षतु इति प्रार्थनां करोमि। Is it right? आवां रक्षति और रक्षतः। You have to say आवां
रक्षतु।
आवां रक्षतु इति प्रार्थनां
कुर्वः।
अस्मान् रक्षतु इति प्रार्थनां कुर्मः।
We all pray. निर्मल महोदय।
शिक्षिकाः मां पाठयति।
शिक्षिका मां पाठयति अथवा शिक्षिकाः
मां पाठयन्ति। शिक्षिकाः नौ पाठयन्ति। शिक्षिकाः नः पाठयन्ति।
प्रीति महोदय वा?
भवान् मां चिनोतु। जनकः आवाम् आह्वयति। पंडितः अस्मान् बोधयति।
प्रिया महोदय।
शिक्षिकः मां पुस्तकं ददाति।
शिक्षकः वा शिक्षिका वा?
शिक्षिका। शिक्षिका आवां पुस्तकं ददाति।
जनाः अस्मान् भोजनं ददाति
जनाः ददति
जनाः अस्मान् भोजनं ददति
रमेश महोदय
नृपः मां रक्षति नृपः आवां रक्षति नृपः अस्मान् रक्षति
रीटा महोदय
हे पुत्र मां जलम् आनयति
आनयतु
आनयतु आनयतु भवती आवां मधुरं ददतु is the right word वैद्या अस्मान् औषधं वितरति
अस्तु सुन्दरी महोदय
जननी मां भोजनं पचति जननी आवां भोजनं
अत्र मां भोजनं पचति इति नास्ति तत्र इट् विल् बि चतुर्थी मां भोजनं यच्छति इति वक्तुं शक्यते परिवेशयति
जननी मां भोजनं परिवेशति
परिवेशयति
परिवेशयति जननी आवां भोजनं परिवेशति सेम
परिवेशयति
परिवेशयति जननी अस्मान् भोजनं परिवेशयति
अस्तु इदानीं समयः अभवत् ह्यः कार्तिक महोदयः एकं श्लोकं रचितवान् तत् शृण्मः महोदय
एकनिमिषं महोदय इति एतत् एषः श्लोकः सरस्वतीम् आराध्य लिखितम् एतं विद्यादायिनी तु देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी कामरूपी स्वप्रकाशे त्वत्सिद्धीन् विन्देहं सदा
तत् सर्वेषां कृते प्रेषयतु महोदय बहु
अस्तु महोदय
बहु सम्यक् अस्ति प्रतिदिनं तत् श्लोकं तस्य श्लोकस्य पठनेन सर्वेषां सम्यक् मार्गः दृश्यते इति मन्ये
सम्यक् अस्ति किल कोऽपि दोषः
नास्ति महोदय सम्यक् अस्ति
अस्तु
अस्तु समापयामः समयः अभवत् ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम
धन्यवादः महोदय।